Difference between cohort and panel study. In research, cohort and panel studies represent two different research methodologies that researchers utilize, each with its unique characteristics. The choice between these designs depends on the research problem and the researcher's objectives. Let's first understand the fundamental difference between these two approaches. Cohort study. A cohort is a group of individuals with similar characteristics. A longitudinal study that belongs to the observational study category is called a cohort study. A cohort study involves the long-term observation of a group of participants by the researcher. In most cases, the researcher must maintain contact with the cohort members for a long period of time. This researcher's ability plays a major role in the researcher's success. In the social sciences as well as the natural sciences, cohort studies are carried out. Panel study. A panel study is also a longitudinal study. A panel study differs from a cohort study in that the same participants are employed throughout the whole investigation, while in a cohort study this is not the case. This enables the researcher to investigate the precise changes that have occurred throughout the time. However, conducting panel studies can be challenging when members either refuse to participate in later occasions or are unable to be found. This typically has an evident effect on the researcher's findings and causes bias. Now, let's see the difference between cohort and panel study in longitudinal study designs. Population under study. Cohort study. Cohort study follows a specific population defined by geography and time, focusing on a cohort with a common characteristic. Panel study represents the entire population, using the same participants throughout the study. Topic studied. Cohort study focuses on specific age groups, allowing for suitable questionnaires relevant to respondents' experiences. Panel study studies a heterogeneous age group, requiring more generic questionnaires to capture a broad population. Sample design and size. Cohort study typically homogeneous in age, suitable for studying specific life course periods, but with smaller per age group samples. Panel study heterogeneous in age, enabling the study of age differences with larger overall sample over time. Spacing. Cohort study interviews space further apart, often years, to capture significant life changes. Panel study collects data more frequently, usually annually, allowing for detailed analysis of short-term changes. Survey mode. Cohort study uses face-to-face interviews but may shift to web-based interviews for efficiency. Panel study utilizes face-to-face or web interviews, with web-based interviews offering shorter fieldwork periods and potential for more frequent data collection. Thank you for watching this video.